The JavaScript array.sum method returns true if at least one of the array items passes a test, otherwise it returns false. So I have here an array of ninjas where I have an object and it has a name, gender, age, and fruit. And the name of Naruto, male, 18 years old, and a favorite fruit of pineapple. And what I want to achieve is that I want to check, is there a female among the ninjas? So I want to iterate around this array of objects, and I want to find, is there a female among here, and is there a teenager among the ninjas, as well as is there a banana lover or a watermelon lover. So let's try to check one by one these examples right here. So is there a female among the ninjas? Because array.sum method returns true or false, so I have to store that somewhere, and I want to store that inside a has female variable. So, and then I want to reference the ninjas, and that just append the array that sum method right there. And the sum method accepts a callback function, and inside the callback function we could have the iterated item, the index, and the array itself, but right now we just want the iterated item, which we'll call it ninja. And I have to return if ninja that gender is equals to female, and I'll know that there's a female among the group. So let's console.log um, has female right there. So let's check. Okay, so it has a female, and this time it's Haruno Sakura. So let's just console.log what's happening in there. So let's console.log ninja. So after it iterates Uzumaki Naruto, then it checks, the engine checks that the gender is male, so it move on to another iteration, and right now it found that Haruno Sakura is a female. It stops the operations and returns a true value in here. So we'll have true. First we iterate here and then here, and this is true, so the engine returns true. So that's how it works inside this iteration. So let's try another example. Is there a teenager among the ninjas? So let's check by doing this one. So we'll store that in a variable called hasTeenager, and we'll reference the ninjas, and we'll call that sum method, and then we'll pass in the iterated item, we'll call that ninja, and then we'll return if the ninja has an age of less than 20. So it's considered as teenager, then it will return true. So what if we want, so we'll check again what's happening inside the iteration, then we'll call ninja. So we have here, after Uzumaki Naruto, it checks that the age is 18, it stops the operation and returns true. So what if we want maybe an age greater than 25? So we'll know that at this check it will stop the operation. So right here we'll have 24 right there. So this one, it will check against 18 years old, and no, it's not greater than 24. And after it checks this one, age is 25, and yes, it's greater than 24. So it stops the operation and returns a true value in here. So, and then we'll check another example right here. We'll check, is there a banana lover among the group? So let's try to check. It's true, we have a banana and we'll have a watermelon, so it will still return true. So to use this data, you just have to check if for example, if there's a banana lover, and then you do your stuff here, so open the gate or do the actions you want to do. So that's how to use the array.sum method, where it returns true or false depending on your condition or your test inside the iteration. So that's pretty much it.